Welcome back to Rad JBI. I'm JB. Today we finished this JBI Spec WP to KYB fork DIY kit. So what that is a KYB fork cartridge insert to replace your WP AER 48, so air fork internals. This is also branded as the exact 48. To your left of me, you can see we already have assembled the complete KYB cartridge. So we've already gone ahead and revalved this cartridge to our JBI Spec. This is for a motocross rider in Georgia. So what we did is we customized our JBI motocross spec to this rider's exact tracks and terrains that he rides in Georgia. I do that by going on YouTube and just looking up the places that he rides at. So that way I have an exact visual on the type of terrain he's riding, what the obstacles look like. So again, this has already been revalved to our JBI motocross spec. Again, customized to this rider. He decided to upgrade to our JBI Titanium Pro Perch. So we have these already installed as well. And we have the correct fork spring rate installed also. So what this rider is going to need to do when this arrives to him is they're going to need to remove the original inserts that are inside their forks. And they're also going to need to remove the lugs so they can install these billet lugs. These are required for the KYB cartridge kit in order for this cartridge kit to install correctly. There's a few other small items as well, such as the rebound adjuster and a few other pieces that are required to complete this build. And they will do that once they get this. But we've already done the hard part, which is the JBI Spec revalve. To complement the front forks on this 2025 KTM 300 SX, the customer also decided to go with our new JBI Spec WP Pro Shock DIY kit. We've already packaged up some of the parts here. Next to it, I have an example of the parts that are provided with it. One of the key items in this is our new JBI Titanium Compression Adjuster Piston. This really improves the feel of the shock. It also includes our JBI bladder kit as well. And what you can't see in here, all the shims that you need have already been pre-sorted and packaged in here as well. So when this rider gets this, they'll just remove all the shims in their shock, replace it with the shims that we've provided, and then finish building the shock. And they will now have matching JBI Spec KYB forks on his KTM and a matching JBI Spec WP Pro Shock setup. All of the services and parts that we discussed in this video, you can read about in much more detail on ridejbi.com. We have a specific product page for this JBI Spec KYB fork cartridge kit. We have product pages on the shock DIY kit. We also have a special product page all about our compression adjuster piston. You can't actually buy this piece individually because it only works as good as the settings that you have it tied to. But we do have a separate product page for it, just so you can get all the deep details about this item and why we took the time to not only design it and make one, but also test and develop the item as well. Once you learn more about our products and how we go about what we do, I think you'll become to appreciate what we're doing, why we do it, and what you should expect as a rider once you get your suspension back from Ride JBI.